Imagine waking up tomorrow, opening your laptop, and knowing that you'll make $100 today without leaving your home. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's not. Let me show you how I started earning $100 a day online as a total beginner and how you can too. Let's rewind a bit. A year ago, I was just like you, scrolling through videos, looking for real ways to make money online. After trying everything from surveys to sketchy websites, I finally found three simple methods that worked for me. Here they are, step by step. Looking to start making money online with simple, proven steps? Get my easy-to-follow PDF guide or PowerPoint slides today and take the first step toward your success. Click the link YouTube About section for Buy Products, and visit our website to explore digital products depth reviews. Click the link on description box. Step 1. Freelancing on Fiverr. First, I signed up for Fiverr. It's a marketplace where you can sell your skills, writing, design, even basic tasks like removing backgrounds from photos. I had zero experience, but guess what? My first gig was as simple as writing a product description for $15. Within a week, I had earned $100. Don't have skills? Don't worry. Learn basics for free on YouTube and start small. Step 2. Selling digital products. Next, I created simple digital products. Using Canva, I designed printable planners and sold them on Etsy. The best part? I only created the product once, and it kept earning me money passively. One week, I sold 10 planners at $10 each. That's $100 right there. Start with Canva. It's free and beginner-friendly. Step 3. Affiliate marketing with social media. Lastly, I joined affiliate programs like Amazon Associates. Here's what I did. I created short Instagram reels reviewing gadgets I already had at home. People clicked on my affiliate link to buy those products, and I earned a commission. With just 5 sales a day, I was making $100. Use platforms like Instagram or TikTok to reach a wider audience. No fancy equipment needed. So, there you have it. Freelancing, digital products, and affiliate marketing. 3 proven ways to start earning $100 a day online, even as a beginner. The key? Start small, stay consistent, and learn as you go. Ready to take action? Drop a comment below with your favorite method, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs it.